Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Elantra driver's side mirror. This task is quite manageable for most DIY enthusiasts and can save you a significant amount of money. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all your tools and the new mirror. Having everything ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient, typically taking about 30 minutes to complete. Now, let's get started by carefully disassembling the door panel. Begin by removing the small plastic trim piece near the mirror, which usually just pops off. Next, locate and remove any screws, often 2 or 3, that secure the door panel. Then, gently pry up the window switch panel and disconnect its wiring. Finally, use a trim tool to release the door panel clips, allowing you to lift it off. With the door panel removed, you'll now have clear access to the mirror's mounting points. You'll typically find 3 10mm nuts or bolts holding the mirror in place. Before removing the last one, remember to disconnect the electrical connector for the mirror's power features. It's also a good idea to have an extra hand support the mirror from the outside as you remove the final fastener, preventing it from falling. Now for the exciting part, installing your brand new mirror. Carefully position the new mirror, aligning its mounting studs with the holes in the door frame. Secure it with the 3 10mm nuts, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector for full functionality. Before fully reassembling the door panel, take a moment to test the mirror's adjustments and any other features to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.